guys, so for a while now, everyone's been talking about this Negroni Sbagliato. It's actually delicious, and I really want to show you guys how to make it because it's so easy. So check it out. It just starts with a Negroni, and then the Prosecco makes it Sbagliato. So let's start with the basic Negroni. Equal parts gin, my favorite is Hendrick's. I love Hendrick's. Campari, vermouth. That's it. So equal parts. What I'm going to do is I have a metal container. This goes to my, cocktail shaker. I already filled it with ice. I'm going to put the ingredients in here, stir it in here, and then pour it over into my glass. You don't have to do it that way. A lot of people make it straight in the glass. This is just what I do. So equal parts gin, Campari, I love Campari, vermouth, now we're just going to stir. Little stir, strainer. Now we're going to pour it over the ice. So when I make a Negroni Sbagliato, I like putting a little bit less of these ingredients because we're going to top it with Prosecco. So that's how I'm making it. Now what we're going to do is little spritz of orange. Now we're going to add a splash of Prosecco. You guys know I love Prosecco. So now we're going to do an orange twist. But before I do that, an extra little thing you can do is you just put a little flame underneath just to bring out the oils and give it a little bit of a deeper flavor. So you totally don't have to do that, but it's just a little tip that I learned from a mixologist friend, and I love little elevations like that. Little pro tip for the home chef. So it's a little bit on the outside, just a little essence, and then you just put it in. One more little stir. I need to get one of those really long, beautiful, like twisty cocktail spoons, which I don't have yet. Okay, let's take a sip. Oh, so good. That's delicious. There's a reason why everyone's talking about these because they're so good. Okay, you guys, thank you for hanging out with me, making a cocktail with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. And I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Happy holidays.
What's your drink of choice?
A Negroni.
I was going to say the same thing.
Sbagliato.
Yeah.
With Prosecco in it.
Oh, stunning.
Yeah.